Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. With this new tutorial I will show you how to make the easiest and quickest summer top. You will only need one pattern piece for the body and a piece for the neck strap. A perfect style to wear on a summer day on the beach, go to a festival or to create a cool summer outfit. I love the open back and 70s feel it has. It'll look perfect if you wear it with a maxi skirt or with denim shorts. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please don't forget to support my channel by subscribing and sharing this video. You will need half meter of fabric with a nice summer color or a fun print, patterns, and thread to match the fabric. Once we have laid out the fabric, we pay attention to whether we need to center the pattern. This is in case we are using a printed fabric. As you can see, I'm placing the pattern against the grain. This is because I'm using a piece of leftover material. We place the body pattern slightly away from the edge of the fabric. This is to leave a space to cut the neck strap for the top. The measurements of the neck strap are approximately 120 cm for the length by 3.5 cm for the width. We begin the sewing by finishing all around the edge of the body piece, leaving the top part. We finish it with a double fold edge of a half centimeter. So I fold half centimeter and another half centimeter. And we make a top stitch at the edge of the fold. I don't have a special machine foot for this type of hem, so in order to make it perfect I'm going to prepare it with a basting stitch. We pay special attention to the corner beads, carefully folding them and making sure they don't feel too bulky. If the fabric is especially thick, we can remove some of the excess fabric before we fold. We proceed to sew all around the double fold hem. Once the body piece is sewn, we finish the corners by hand so they look neater. The edges of the top body piece have finished. Now we make a 1.5 centimeter fold to the top edge of the body. And then we fold again, creating a 1.5 centimeter double fold. In the sewing machine, we make a top stitch to the edge of the fold on the outer part of the fabric. To make the neck strap, we make a 0.5 centimeter stitch all around the strap piece. We leave an open part in the center so we can then turn the strap inside out. We have stitched the neck strap with a 0.5 centimeter seam. Now we have to turn it inside out. We will aid ourselves with a knitting needle. Sometimes, and with some fabrics, turning these straps around is pretty difficult. If needed, we can make them slightly wider to help with the turning out operation. Right after the strap is turned out, we make a top stitch along the edge of the seam with the sewing machine. This way we achieve a cleaner finish and we close the part that we had left open. Now we iron the body piece and the neck strap. The pieces are perfectly ironed. We now clean and cut all the basting stitch threads we might still have. Now we just need to pass the neck strap through the top edge. We do this by putting a safety pin at one of the edges of the strap. We introduce the safety pin through the top edge casing. And we pass the neck strap through and we evenly arrange the resulting gathering. Our summer top is finished. We make a bow with the neck strap. We turn the top around to tie the back, and this is it, complete. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I'll see you soon with more ideas and projects.